Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Problem Solving for Machine Learning. My name is Rudy, and this is a course by Pact Publishing. Let's give a brief introduction. So I'll be talking you through this topic. I have 6 years of experience in data science. I have deep technical experience with quantitative trading and statistical modeling, and currently I'm building some natural language generation technology. Let's get an overview of this course. We're going to learn 6 different topics today. So we're going to look at working with machine learning, setting up the environment to access different libraries and technologies that is crucial to creating machine learning solutions. We dive into some data wrangling topics before moving on to linear and logistic regression. With the basics out the way, we're going to look at how we can problem solve by predicting the future, and how we can diagnose models and see what's wrong and how to improve them. Prerequisites. This course is designed for the intermediate or new users of machine learning, and you would want to build robust, repeatable models to predict the future. Knowledge of machine learning concepts, statistics, and Python programming is expected. This course helps you resolve challenges in supervised learning, misbehaving classifiers, and wrong regressors. We're going to talk through practical solutions for production-ready machine learning, and also we'll talk through the intuition behind machine learning packed with step-by-step instructions, examples, and helpful advice. Let's start, and I'll see you in the course.